I love you more than anything. I don't want to get emotional. I really, really love him more than anything. So, yeah.
You make my heart go boom. Oh baby, it's the look in your eyes that makes you the prize. I wish we were together right now. It's true. You make my body feel loose. Oh baby, it's the way that you lay, the way that you play. I'm praying for forever as well as now. I don't want to hide.
I'm Maurice.
Take you, Andrea.
Take you, Andrea.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
And I pledge.
And I pledge.
That this day. I will be faithful.
I will be faithful.
And I will love you.
And I will love you.
And I will serve you.
I will serve you.
As long as we both shall live.
As long as we both shall live.
We don't need to have a label. You know that I will love you down. I will be every kind of faithful. If you could show me all the way around, I will be very, very grateful. Very, very grateful. You make my worries fly away. I'm thinking it's the way that we wrote it.
In your marriage, I always pray for you.
So you should come around.
And I hope God bless you and your husband and
Let
your
me show you somewhere safe. Oh baby, you can stop trying to locate. Cause we found a soulmate in each other. And now we're bound. I don't want to hide, I don't want to hide. I don't want to shy from you. No, I don't want to lie, I don't want to lie and say that I don't need you. So if you could lay your cards right down, I am waiting at the table. If you could show me love somehow, we don't need to have a label. You know that I will love you down. I will be every kind of faithful. If you could show me all the way around, I will be very, very grateful.
And she had no clue I was coming. I actually been sick for 7 months and haven't been feeling well, but I did what I could to make sure that I could get help.